Welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve another problem, which is a palindrome. Palindrome is a number that if you read from left or if you read from right, both are unequal. For example, if we see that 202 equals to 202, which is a palindrome, so this 202 is palindrome. Whereas if we say 201 is not a palindrome. This is very common in most of the programming language, and in beginner level this question is asked in an interview. But today we are going to solve this question in a bit twist to solve this problem, basically, if I have to say so. Usually you need to write math logic to solve this problem, okay, to read each index value and then reverse it and then check the equality. But we are going to use Java 8 to do the reversal, which is something you need to learn, because everyone can do normal logic, normal algorithm basic, but we will be building or we will be developing based on our Java 8 stream, not stream, I would say the new method which were introduced by. So we will create our main method. Okay, so here we will be creating our method check palindrome. Okay, we will pass our number. So for example, we will be checking 4004 or 400, anything, we can check anything. Okay, it is throwing error, so we will create a method. The reason so we'll better to write the code rather than to just copy paste it, because this will be, then you will remember the syntax. Check palindrome and then we'll pass int and then we'll take our palindrome number. Always use proper naming convention, because otherwise, if you use integer, we will use simple number, so then we will assign this value. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to open our stream. Now this is quite interesting. Okay, now we'll do it. What we'll do is we'll call our number, then we will convert this into toString. Okay, wow, it is a number and we are converting into toString. Why we are doing it? Okay, now we will open our character. Why we are calling this method? Because we need to, because this number will become a string, and then this is string, in a string we have character. Okay, so now we will open our, you remember, map to object. We have used this many times in our previous video, the benefit of map to object. Now you can see, right, that how useful it is while solving a problem. Okay, and then we will use reduce. This is also one of the method provided by stream in Java 8. Then this is empty accumulator. Now this is something, so now this will give us a number. Okay, we will store this value in our string. Okay, this is like quite funny. I am again saying this is like different way of like doing palindrome. Let's say so. We'll use if statement whether our numbers are equal or not. Okay, we need to check, right? And you cannot use quality operator, because one is number and another is a string. So we need to convert it to toString. toString, I think it is correct, and then we will use normal style. Okay, this pal is correct. Okay, and our number which we have passed. Okay, now this is basic if else, and then simple as out. Yes, now I'm down. Okay. Okay, now let us run it and see whether it is working or not. Okay, so it is working. Now let us see that, let us change this value. Okay, let us change it to 1, see whether this logic actually works. Okay, I'm not palindrome. Yeah. So let us check some other values as well. I think let us check this is also interesting. 40 204, 40 204. Yeah. Case is palindrome. Okay. So now we'll see, right? This we have created the method. Okay. This will return nothing. It is just checking. So what we are doing here is that we are using this number because this is a number, right? We'll map to our integer. This is a wrapper class. Okay, you'll see this difference between this and this. This is primitive and this is non-primitive. We'll cover this in our later videos, but for now just consider that we have mapped this integer value into our integer object, and then we have string. We have converted our number to a string. Why we did so? Because then only we can apply our this logic. Okay, basically here what we are doing is that we are reversing all the numbers. Okay, so character will break down each and every element at each and every index. So this will become one character, this is one character, this is one character, and this is one character. System doesn't know that this is a string or this is not. I can convert an integer into a character, okay, or a string. So that doesn't matter. But how smartly, this is a different way of doing it. Okay, how smartly you can think means how can you solve a problem in different ways, basically. Because in a company you need to work with integers, numbers, string, and all those characters. So you need to find a unique way of solving any problem. So map to object is quite common. Okay, we are just mapping it for each and every element present in the input we are passing in. So we are taking out, okay, and then we are reducing it. Reduce operation is used to reduce it to different stream, and here this logic. Okay, this is, I would say that this is a logic of why we have written like D. It can be A B. Okay, for example A comma B and then B plus A. So this is what it is doing is, right, it is doing something like this. Okay, for example you have a string called ABC. Okay, so what this logic is doing, because we need to reverse it. Okay, how to reverse? If you have watched my video how to reverse a string using Java 8, right? So this is one of the concepts. For example, if this is another, if okay, now we have to this video will become longer if I have to explain you in this way. Okay, consider that this all become one character. Okay, A B C. Okay, now what we are going to do is, what we have done here is, right, this D is equal to A. I think I should change it to 4 so you will understand better. Okay, 4 0. Okay, 4. Now what you will understand is this 4 is, for example, equals to A, and then this F is equals to 0. Okay, so and then F plus D, we are concatenating our string, so this will become 0 and 4. Okay, then it will check again this one 0 and 4 because we are again doing G and H, for example, or similar approach D or F. Then this 0 4 will become, what it will become, this 0 4, it will reverse it, it will become 4 0 like this. Okay, so like this, it means right now it is in one line, so first thing happen this and then it will happen this. So at the end we will be giving our number which will be reverse of 404, which is 404. Okay, this will reverse our string. If you have watched my video, you should go and watch the video that how to reverse a string in Java 8, you will understand better. But we have reversed it using this logic, and then we have checked the equality, that whether this one is equals to this one, the number which we have passed, which we have stored in this value, is equals to this one. So if it is equal, it will see it's a palindrome or it's not a palindrome. There are multiple ways of doing this problem, but this is some of the unique way where we are using Java 8 methods, and this is something is most frequently, like, this is how you are going to get better writing code in Java 8. Basically, I've seen a lot of developers, they don't even know, they always go for their old approach, which they know, for loop and all this stuff. But if you really need to write a better code, then you should be using it. The power of using Java 8 and Java 11 and all. I will be making video what are the new things which has been introduced. And so for now, I hope you learned something today. That's all for now. Thank you.